Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by validating hardware and initiating Connect mode. First, confirm whether the keyboard is Bluetooth, uses a 2.4 GHz USB dongle, or is wired. That determines the path. Once done, make sure the keyboard is charged and set to pairing. For dongles, plug it into the TV's USB port. Now open the TV's input or Bluetooth settings so the device can be discovered. This immediate preparation prevents interruptions and speeds the next steps. You'll now perform the pairing sequence and configure input. On the TV, start a Bluetooth scan or add device flow. Once the keyboard appears, select it. If the TV shows a PIN, type it on the keyboard and press Enter. This authenticates the link. For a 2.4 GHz dongle, plug it in and wait for the TV to list a generic HID keyboard. Make sure the TV's input mode accepts USB keyboards. Finally, verify basic typing and navigation to confirm correct mapping. You'll finish by testing and making adjustments so the keyboard works reliably. Type in a search box, navigate menus with arrows, and try media keys. If characters look wrong, change the keyboard layout in the TV's language/input settings. Once done, reduce sleep settings on the keyboard to prevent disconnects. If something goes wrong, repair the device, swap batteries or the dongle, try another USB port, or reboot the TV. These quick fixes resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.